Hello. This short video will briefly cover how you can use citation searching in Google Scholar to quickly gain many useful and relevant items on your topic. Published research on any given topic can be seen as a conversation. Much like any conversation, a stream of research on a topic will change and evolve over time based on the voices that have contributed to it. Once you've found a relevant article on your topic, there are two things you can do to get additional relevant items. First, you can see what sources your article has cited. This will show you voices and literature that contributed to the conversation up until the publication of your article. Second, you can then explore who has since cited your article. If your perfect article, for example, was published in 2002, you'll want to see who has since contributed to that conversation. Performing forward citation searching allows you to do this. In Google Scholar, once you've located a relevant article, simply check the Cited By link. This type of button is also present in many different databases, including our library's Search at UW catalog. Once you've selected the Cited By link, you will see the list of publications that have since cited your article. From here, you have many different options. You can search within these results as well as limit by a specific date range. You can also sort by relevance and date, as well as quickly view an item's citation by pressing on the quotation marks below the item. If at any time in your search process you are unable to access the full text of your item, you can submit an interlibrary loan request, and UW Libraries will get the item for you. Citation searching is a powerful search strategy that allows you to quickly familiarize yourself with your chosen topic. Good luck, and for more information or assistance, don't hesitate to contact a librarian.